Welcome everybody. Merry Christmas. Today we're going to be opening ZURU Smasher's Dino Egg Dino Ice Aid surprise. Now we are going to start. And you can find this at Walmart. Also not a sponsor. First we're going to have to open it. And it is going to take a little bit of time. Do I continue? This is hard. Everyone who buys this, beware, it is very hard to get out the container. We are getting business done. And this is the next thing. 3, 2, 1. Attempt 1, fail. Attempt 2. What am I doing wrong?
Take the plastic off of it completely. I'm guessing they're trying to not make the dinosaur this scared.
Mom?
Yes.
We're getting through this.
I see.
Okay, attempt number
Oh my goodness.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Doesn't it not work? We're gonna have to generate more power.
Yes, indeed. A little bit more finesse.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness.
I generate power.
Splash.
That was bad.
Everywhere.
Look at this. It's shattered. If you want to see what this looked like before, replay. If you want to see what this looks like before. What in the world is this?
Well, we're getting ready to see.
It's a collector pack. This is what is on the front. Scratcher scratch map. Oops, frozen dino poops. That frog the claw. Hatchet if you can. 4 frozen bones. Can you handle the tooth? And this is what's on the back. And they have lots of different small, and you can collect them all. Available at Walmart. Now, what is this? Scissors not included, and I guess we need scissors to open this. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Give me more. Hey! Oh yeah, it's something very... Yeah. We got this. We got, hold on. Who did we get? Ice Raptor. Mini-sized. This is what he looks like. And now we have frozen slime. And our first bone is in here. Yeah, this is not going to be good. If you are doing this at home, get a plastic bag that is white so you don't get it all over the floor. Warning. This is very hard to open. I repeat, this is very hard to open. How many times are you just gonna say scissors are not included? We know. This isn't hard. Hopefully this is not slimy. Hopefully this is thick. Mom, it is gooey, but it is not that bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like jello.
Okay.
And we found our first bun. This is gonna be hard.
Oh my goodness. That look.
Slimy.
How is it? How does it feel?
Oh, it's cold, but it feels so satisfying.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
like an actual. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I look like a mad scientist.
Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Jesus.
Ew. You look like you're having a good time.
Yeah, I am.
That's good. Is it sticky?
Yeah, it is.
Or it's just...
It's like, Mom,
Yes.
it's like it feels like jello,
Mm-hmm.
but actually,
Mm-hmm.
it's not slimy.
Okay.
It's like sticky, but not slimy.
Okay.
So we have our first bone. It's a bull bone. And it comes with your own 3 small smashers. And we are going to do stretchy snow. I wonder what we could get. And this is still slimy. I gotta get all this one off it and myself. God, this is like 10 times harder than the rest. This thing is like better. Oh my god. Bobby, this is worse than the oh my god.
Yuck.
I'm telling you. Tell me about it. Okay, Mom, so we got another
Mm-hmm.
leg. Oh my god, why? Out of all the places. And we got a mammoth-like head. I think we got the ice mammoth. No, we got... Yeah, I think we got the frozen mammoth. Holy moly. This is so sticky. Get out of there. Paddington. What? Even Paddington didn't go for this. I'm just gonna put it here. This is so slimy. Mom, I think actually we have like a bin for this to go in.
Okay.
So that's good. Because that is slimy.
So, Lens, what's the idea behind the whole entire toy?
Okay, so what you want to do is you're trying to build the Smashers giant dinosaur. And you don't know which one you're gonna get until you finish the toy.
Okay.
And they said this is snow. Snow is not slimy. I mean, on the Mom,
Yes.
on the fun note, we got like a slime to play with.
Okay.
On the good note, on the bad note, this is so sticky.
So, how long do you think it's going to take you to assemble the whole entire thing?
10 years.
No way.
Yeah.
Not 10 years, Lens.
Hopefully.
Does it take that long?
No.
Or is it because you're trying to figure it out?
Yeah, I'm like figuring it out. Oh,
Okay.
Mom,
Yes.
actually, we got the frozen mammoth. Let's go. Okay, they actually teach you how to assemble.
All right.
So, Jesus. We got the head. The head is still stick. Let me get this off for you. Where's that? Where's the bucket? Where's the bin? Oh. We got the bin. Also, sir, why does one... Mom,
Yes.
look at this. Okay. Why does one have a pimple but the other doesn't? Like, I'm confused. Oh, I was wrong. It does. Jesus. Moly. This is so... Mom?
Yes.
So now that we cleaned that up, which was bad. Okay, so now we have growing snow. Yeah, how do I do this? Peel. Comment down below if you have an idea on how to peel this. Oh.
It has a lot of small parts.
I know. But Mom, like once you put it together, it'll be like bigger and like it'll be easier.
Okay. I'm looking forward to what the end result is going to be.
Yeah. Mom? So if you're wondering how we get this out, basically, this is why I had a water next to me.
Okay.
Okay. I think we'll need like more water, but I'll put more in. Hold on. Oh jeez.
Oh my goodness.
We need papers. This is huge. Yeah. Do you want me to push you down there? Something? Jesus. This is how it all starts. Jeez.
So how much water is supposed to go in there to open it up?
I like think 500K.
Lens, you just keep calling a lot of numbers. Does it really take that much?
500K is actually a number.
Oh, well, we know. But does it really take that much water to
Yeah.
get in that little cup?
They lied to me. They said it go here. It go here.
That's fine. So now that you know, you just open it and do exactly what it says.
Hello everybody, we had trouble opening this, but now it's open. Now let's begin pouring in the water. It says it claims this is growing snow. Pretty cool. Now we are going to do this. Oh, it is. Holy. It is growing snow. They are not joking when they say growing. It was like this much. Check out how much is in here. And it was like this much. Before and after.
So the more water you add, it increases?
Yeah, it does this.
Okay.
And gee, rice. God. So I think I just searched. Mom, this feels so satisfying. Again.
That's nice. What is it? What's in it?
A tusk.
Okay.
God, we have to get this out.
Mm-hmm.
Today or tomorrow.
Do you need any more water?
Yeah, it's claiming I need to like put more water here.
Okay.
Maybe I'm just gonna like put it here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God! It just made this thing softer. Oh, Mom, this feels so satisfying.
Well, I'm glad you like it. It looks weird.
No, Mom, it actually feels so good though.
Okay.
When you put your hands in it,
Mm-hmm.
it feels like you're actually touching snow.
Okay.
Like it feels like a different texture. God.
That's fine.
I'm literally like making a gigantic mess just to get this tusk out. Get out, you big tusk.
There you go. You got it.
Yeah, thank you for getting out and cooperating.
Right.
Because, bruh, why? This is not good. I repeat.
That wasn't the plan, huh?
Yeah, that was not the. Look at this.
Okay.
There's really like more of these than I even got of bodies. Now,
Mm-hmm.
we're going to. Why is there a goose on the head? That's creepy. Mom?
Yes.
I guess we got like a bath place for the velociraptor. Here.
Okay.
Now, does this go on the right or left? Yes. Why? Yes, why? Guys, if you're wondering what we are trying to build, we're trying to build frozen mammoth. Also, we could get ice raptor, which is kind of like the small one. We could have get blizzard, dactyl, or frozen mammoth, and we'll get the frozen mammoth. And I think the frozen mammoth is harder to get than any other one. This is what the head looks like. Oh my God, there's a lot of these in the trunk. Holy moly. Overflowing, I repeat, overflowing. Crystal. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. We have frozen slime, but now we have crystal slime. The worst out of all slimes yet. We meet our boss. Mom, and everyone out there, and the professor people. We've met our final boss. This is hard. This is gonna be the hardest boss we fight yet. Yeah. This part is hard. Oh no. Is there slime in here? Yeah. Why? Oh my. Holy. Look at this. To get the body? What? Oh, this is more more sticky than the other one. Jesus Christ! How many? Tell me if y'all spot another because I can't. Because you are.
So what part of the dinosaur is that?
Mom, this is not a dinosaur. This is a dinosaur mammal.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of like an animal,
Mm-hmm.
like the elephant, except elephants don't have hair and this has hair.
Okay. So what other fun fact do we have to know about that?
That mammoths were actually the mammoths,
Mhm.
unlike elephants that live today.
Uh-huh.
Mammoths has longer tusks.
Okay.
So if you go to Africa and you see an elephant with tusks, you'll be like, oh, they have tusks. And then if you Google what's a mammoth, and if you see the tusks, you'll be like, oh, mammoths have longer tusks than elephants.
Okay.
Because this is what fossils look like. If we could see the color of mammoth skin.
Mm.
Ain't no grandma. I think there's like special glue here. Also, guys, do this with parents because you'll need to help to clean this up after because it's hard and it is sticky
And what happened to slime when you leave it unattended over a long time?
It feels like this. It feels like Jello. It feels like this. Also, guys, we found how we use the scratch map. You just scratch it. In your grandma.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're just gonna put on the body. Leave the trunks by itself and abort. Dino fact. Did you know the words mammoth means huge? I can't read this. What? What? Mammoth means huge. In fact, mammoths were about 11 feet tall and weighed between 1,200 to 2,000 pounds. Elephants, African elephants weigh like 10,000 pounds. What? And we got the mammoth saying, I weigh that much pounds? Like, wow. I thought so not. Blizzard bomb. Guys, tell us, have we done the blizzard bomb? Wrong?
No, I think it's underneath the bag.
Oh, yeah, we haven't done the blizzard bomb.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mom?
Yes.
Yeah, we need more water.
Okay.
It's on? Okay, welcome everybody. Okay, so now we're going to do the blizzard bomb. We have water, and now we're going to pour this on the blizzard bomb. Okay. Oh, look at it, guys. Look at it. Look. Wow.
What's in it? I think that's enough water. You got to find out what's underneath it.
Yeah, this is so cool. Oh, Mom.
Yes.
If you touch it, it's so satisfying. Oh, God, this is so good. No, destroying this thingy. Jeez, us.
So we did anything in it?
Yeah, Mom? It's
Yes.
not done.
Lance, that's a lot of water, honey.
It sounds like lava. Imagine this was the orange one and it had the blizzard bomb. Oh God, that would be worse.
So what are you looking for underneath there?
Mom,
Yes.
we're looking for we only have, oh no, back up. Everyone get off. Get it out.
I told you it was a lot of water.
Get out! So Mom,
Yes.
we have 3 legs, we have 1 head, we have 2 trunks.
Mm-hmm.
We have one. We have another leg. We have a body. And honestly, I don't know what we're working for.
It still didn't go through?
No.
Oh my goodness.
I'm supposed to crack it.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Holy moly.
Do you think we should go underneath the sink?
What do you mean? Or maybe like you put it in here and like it dissolves.
I see that.
This slime is really not good. Look at my hands. For tearing it. Also, guys, beware of dirty hands. Oh my god. Get. We're struggling. We're actually just going to put it here. Now we wait. This is like just washing slime.
Wash both of your hands while you're at it.
Oh god. We got I don't even know what on earth is that.
Was that the only piece in there?
Hmm?
Was that the only piece?
No, I think there's more pieces.
Okay.
Yeet. Your mom? We don't want pieces falling down there. Okay. Okay, we had to do that in the bathroom because we did not have enough water. So now we're actually, the whole body just yeeted out of my hand. Oh, that's a bad point. Yeah, we're gonna wait until like we have no. Dang.
Make sure you clean the inside of the part so that way it can stick.
It's not, yeah, it's not like.
Because if the slime is in it, it's not going to work. All right?
Yeah, let's see.
Are you almost done?
Yeah.
What piece is that?
Oh, this is the way.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna actually just gonna have to skip to the head because the other one super hard to get on. Guys, so this is what it looks like. This is the tusk, this is the trunk and the head, and these are the legs. And then it's really slippery. Now we are going to do the miniature eggs. We got, I think we got a rare or something. Hold on, let me look. Okay. Oh, so I think we got a, no, we did not get a rare. I don't know. So we got someone common. Okay, it's Winter Wolf. So this we're gonna add this to my collection. Where's Ice Raptor?
Next to your leg.
Oh. So
Yep.
these are, and guys, to give you a fair warning, these are really tiny. I don't even know on earth what on earth is this? Anyone had any idea? Something? Okay, I got Sub-Zero Mosquito. So I think okay. And so we got, oh, we got the miniature version of this. So cool. So we got,
Let me see again.
it's the version. It's like this one, mommy.
Mhm.
But it's like smaller.
Okay.
God, that is so cool. Okay, so far we have 4. So mom, we have Ice Raptor, Winter Wolf. I have to figure out what's this guy name. If he's not in. Mom?
Yes.
I Rare. Let's go.
That's cool.
Really cool. Guys, this is our final one. This is going to be cool. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think we got a common. So we got this guy. So we got Frosty Fox. And I don't think that there's any more. No more. I hope you liked that video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching. Bye!